Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Look at what we have here. It is the Unicorn. Stick around, let me tell you about this thing. This is the Gecko, which is one of the rarest colors. Gecko Green, one of the rarest colors out there, and personally one of my favorites. And it is a Rubicon, which even makes it more rare. It is a four-door Gecko Rubicon. Very, very, very rare. And wait, there's more. This thing only has 55,000 miles on it. Super low miles. And set up thousands and thousands of extras already spent on this thing. Look at, you got your oversized wheels and tires, Firestone Destinations, my personal favorite on these things. Very fat tread, tires are like new. You do have your aftermarket bumper there with your 9,500 pound Smittybilt winch. You do have your light bar there, of course your fog lamps, running boards. Love the tinted windows. I love the body color Gecko top on this Gecko Jeep. The only thing that makes a Gecko better is a Gecko color top. This thing has it all. You do get your aftermarket bumper here, which is Smittybilt as well. It is a one-piece bumper. If you're wondering what that is, it means your oversized spare tire fits on there perfectly, and you can open it and close it with one motion. It's not two different pieces, it's one piece. Trust me, that makes a big difference. You just grab this tailgate and it flips right open. As you can see, it comes open in one piece. You do get your tow package built in here. That is what I love about a hardtop. That flips up. You've got wide open access here. You can get to everything you need. The seats will fold in a 60-40 split. I have that laid out in every seat configuration at citymotors.net. Make sure you check that out. Go there now. Factory Infinity subwoofer there. You do have your winch cover there that goes on the front and covers up your winch. Again, look at those wheels and tires. Sexy. I love it. Now this one does have VIN etching throughout. All of your panels, all of your windows are VIN etched, which is very good. Let your insurance company know and save some money. You do have plenty of room to comfortably fit 3 passengers back here. And how sexy is that saddle interior on that Gecko exterior with your dark floors? Absolutely beautiful. You do have your pockets on the back, of course your cup holders, and your premium sound bar there. Coming up front, we're going to have our heated outside mirrors. You do have your nets there on your door, of course height adjustable seat, and again, look at the saddle interior. Absolutely beautiful. Jeep embroidered seats in your leather there. Of course, this one does have your Bluetooth streaming to your premium audio. You do have duplicate audio controls in the back. Up here you're going to have your axle locks. Your front and rear axles will lock. That's why you're buying a Rubicon. You want that front and rear locker. That is awesome. Electronic sway bar. Look at that, 55,000 miles on this thing, guys. It's not even broke in. Again, premium audio with navigation and Bluetooth, which is super important because in the state of Virginia, you do have a hands-free law, which means put your phone down or you're going to jail. Just kidding. You're going to get in trouble though. Don't do that. Automatic climate control, heated seats. My favorite, 6-speed transmission. Love it. Oversized center console, and again, look at that sound bar there. Again, top comes off in 3 pieces, 2 on the top, 1 big one on the back. The back one is actually very light and easy to manage. Very sharp, guys. Look at this thing. Of course, with the Rubicon, it is their top of the line. It is the off-road king. It's what it's all about. You got your disconnectable sway bar. You have front and rear lockers. You have Dana 44s. You have your off-road lights. You have your lift kit. You buy this thing, you don't spend a penny on any accessories because it's got it all. It has it all. And again, extraordinarily rare. The Gecko is one of the rarest colors out there. The Gecko Rubicon is even more rare. Do not miss this thing, guys. I can tell you, you are not going to find a nice one on the road, especially for under $35,000. We're going to give you a 6-month, 7,500-mile warranty. That is coast to coast with roadside assistance, which means if you're out of the area, have no fear. You can purchase here because you are covered where you are. No processing fees here at City Motors. Now, that's an important thing because right now the way the market is, and you know how the market is, dealers are sneaking all kinds of processing fees in left and right. It's really kind of bad what they're doing. I mean, you're seeing dealers that used to have no processing fees now starting to throw hidden fees everywhere, just trying to make up extra money. No fees here at City Motors. 0 fees. Don't pay fees. You can call us at 540-433-7335. Text us at that number 24/7, but do it quick. This thing, again, thousands in extras, awesome setup, turnkey, ready to go, everything you ever wanted. Don't miss it. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.